Excel is installed in thousands of different sites in a range of vertical markets across the world, from health to finance, from education to data centers. With a focus on system performance, third-party verification, and a 25-year warranty available, it's easy to see why Excel is the system of choice across so many organizations and different vertical markets. Let's take a closer look at Excel in the hospitality sector. The Excel infrastructure solution allowed Voco St David's Hotel in Cardiff Bay to introduce improved technologies with a more robust Wi-Fi system, offering a faster, more stable connection to each of their 142 rooms, providing their guests with a better experience when staying at the hotel. The Ritz in Paris reopened in June 2016 after a major 4-year multi-million-dollar renovation. A hospitality technology platform was implemented within the hotel, allowing staff to access the various services available via any device. Thanks to the Excel infrastructure solution that was installed, the hotel is now able to consistently deliver first-class service levels. Further to the installation of Excel infrastructure, the hotel can guarantee to offer its guests first-class facilities across its 195 rooms and suites, whether they're visiting for leisure or business purposes. The Excel network installed has the capability to grow as and when required to meet the future needs of the hotel. The Four Seasons Hotel in Dubai provides a luxurious destination for visitors and offers all of the amenities that are expected in such an establishment. Guests have access to wireless internet facilities throughout the hotel and can rest safe knowing that a highly sophisticated IP CCTV system is in operation across the resort, all running effectively via the Excel infrastructure solution. Those were just a few of the Excel installations in the hospitality sector. Excel products feature at a number of hotels and resorts across the world, and the Excel portfolio is continuing to evolve to incorporate products that boast the latest in technological innovation and adapt to the changing demands of the market. For more information about Excel reference sites and the latest installations in your country, please contact our sales team on 0121 326 7557 or send an email to sales@excel-networking.com.